Moving on to the classification of organic compounds, there are millions of organic compounds. It is partially not possible to study each individual compound to facilitate the study. Organic compounds are classified into various groups and subgroups. They may be broadly classified into following classes: open chain or acyclic compounds, closed chain or cyclic ring compounds. Number one, open chain or acyclic compounds. These type of compounds contain an open chain of carbon atoms. The chains may be branched or non-branched. The open chain compounds are also called aliphatic compounds. Straight chain or non-branched compounds. Those organic compounds in which the carbon atoms are connected in series from one to another. N-butane, 1-butene and 1-butanol. Branch chain compounds are 2-methylpropanone, those organic compounds in which the carbon atoms are attached to on the sides of isobutylene, neopentane, and as such. Closed chains compounds or cyclic compounds are those known as the cyclic ring compounds out of two types: homocyclic or carbocyclic compounds and heterocyclic compounds. The classification of organic compounds into various classes is shown in the chart over here. And then we move forward to A, homocyclic or carbocyclic compounds. The compounds in which they consist of only carbon atoms, homocyclic or carbocyclic compounds, further classified as acyclic, alicyclic or aromatic compounds. Alicyclic compounds are those which contain a ring of 3 or more carbon atoms and resembling an aliphatic compound are called alicyclic compounds. Saturated alicyclic hydrocarbons have the general formula of CnH2n, and the typical examples of alicyclic compounds are given below, like cyclopropane, cyclobutane, cyclopentane, cyclohexane, and cyclohexene. One or more hydrogen bonds present in these compounds may be substituent other groups or groups. Aromatic compounds. These carbocyclic compounds contain at least one benzene ring, 6 carbon atoms with 3 alternated double bonds and single bond. These bonds are usually shown in the form of a circle, and typical examples of aromatic compounds are given below. Benzene. The aromatic compounds must have a side chain or a functional group attached to the ring, which is toluene, phenol, benzaldehyde, nitrobenzene. Or the aromatic compounds may also contain more than one benzene ring fused together, which is naphthalene or anthracene. Heterocyclic compounds are those compounds in which the ring consists of atoms of more than one kind are called heterocyclic compounds or heterocycles. In heterocyclic compounds, generally one or more atoms of elements such as nitrogen, oxygen, or sulfur are present. The atom other than the carbon, with nitrogen, oxygen, or sulfur present in the ring is called a heteroatom, like pyridine, furan, pyrrole, thiophene.